let's quickly see if we can turn that into a song. Into a little bit of a song.
Okay. All right. So basically, we've got our drums, a hi-hat loop, bass line, and that's pretty much all the elements we need for a drop. So now all we have to do is we have to figure out what key this is in. So
G minor.
A quick way that you can write major and minor chords is to go in here. So click this little drop down menu and then click stamp, and then, for example, major or minor. So I want to start with a minor G chord. So now all I have to do is click once, and then if we listen to it, we've got G minor. And then I'm just gonna Control C, Control V, and just try and see what sounds good. This isn't going to sound good, and I know it's not because we should be going to a major, I think. So what I can do is drag the middle note up. Having the stamps there as well, it makes it a lot easier to sort of like quickly make majors and minors and stuff. So let's go ahead and write the bass. So now we've kind of got like a nice sort of chord progression going, and it doesn't hurt to introduce maybe some hi-hats and stuff.
And Tom's pretty much just copy and pasting stuff right now.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm just copying and pasting. So Control C, Control V. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start a build up. So I'm just going to go snare drums, and I can just do it in here.
So you've just gone to a new pattern.
Yep, I've just made a new pattern. And then I'm basically just going to start with 4/4. Then I'll do 8 beats of that. I drew the first 4 and went into the piano roll, and now I'm just copying them. So every interval, so we'll go in double. So I'll double how many notes are happening. So this is a pretty basic snare roll pattern. So
I mean, just pretty much just copy that. You can if you pretty much any dance music track will use a very similar pattern to this.
Yeah, there's a trick here. So I don't want my piano to play the notes on the last 4 beats before the drop. So what I'm going to do is I'll click this little piano here. Then I'll hit Make Unique. And then what that'll do is that will let me go through and make changes to the melody, except these other boxes are left intact, so they have the full length.
So if you change 9, for example,
if I change 9, it will adjust all the 9s. So and then they'll all sound different. So what I'm going to do is I always like to start with like a grand piano, or I even really like the FL Keys Rhodes. They're pretty nice. Bit distorted. And then generally what I'll do is I'll layer, so like for the sake of this tutorial, I'll use a serum for this. So what I'll do is I'll paste the basic sort of chord progression I've got in here. Make sure it's sent to a mixer channel again. Always make sure it's sent. Then I'm just going to drag the unison up of this. And if you listen, so the difference. So now you've got 16 saw waves happening at once. This is how much they're detuned. So I'll kind of go like just sort of near 180. And then I'll turn the filter on. It should just be a low pass, and then turn the cutoff down a bit. If we listen, I've got like nice sound happening. I've selected it on the mixer. Channel, and put some reverb on it, some chorus as well. Turn the resonance up a bit. And now I can just layer this layer on top of the Rhodes. loop comes in. Doesn't have a clap though, so what I'll do is I'll do this make unique again. Then I can go in here and take the claps out, and then basically it's 8 bars of Joss, piano and Rhodes, and then 8 bars of hi-hat and clap, and then 8 bars of snare build. So if we listen to it from the snare build part, it'll sound like this. And then that's funny. The way that Charmy usually connects his bass lines and his breaks is he'll sort of have a vocal drop sort of in this section, and then he'll have a delayed onset of these loops. So it'll come like this.
3, 2, 1, jump!
So it kind of gives you that, you want it to sort of drop straight away, but when it doesn't drop straight away, it both connects the listener to the sound.
Yeah, it trips them out.
Yeah, and it separates the two different sections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a few more things as well. So I'm just going to make some risers just to teach you guys how to make basic ones. So I'm going to use 3x oscillator. You guys all have this. It comes with FL. 3x osc. I'm going to turn the volume of these down. Make sure it's sent to a mixer. Make sure that this is selected. So this is white noise. It's going to be loud. So then all you have to do, double click and drag, and just hold your finger on the left click and then drag, and then that will let you highlight a specific section. And now we're getting into automation stuff. So I want to make this go like this. And basically to do that, right click, create automation clip. And then that will make this little box here. I'm going to turn the resonance up as well. And then if I right click, I can put a point into this. And then if we listen, I'll play a note. Put a note in like this. Make sure it's selected. If we listen. 3, 2, 1, jump! Theoretically, we could even like get rid of that starting bit and just kind of have like a kind of clap impact or something here. So it starts like this. I haven't even EQ'd this sound at all. So EQ is equalization, and basically it's to do that, make sure the channel's selected, and then click in the slot, and then Fruity Parametric EQ is a really good option. And then when I drag these notes, you'll hear the sound changing. So
it boosts or cuts certain frequencies in that particular channel.
So you can hear the sound changes. So Alright, so we got the track. This is what it sounds like after, about 45 minutes work between us just sort of working. So what we got now? But yeah, that's it. That's how
Sick,
simple
man.
it is to throw a track together.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is the second part of our FL Studio tutorial series with Tom Budin. If you guys want to learn more about FL Studio, we here at Point Blank are now doing a FL Studio weekend course here in London. So if you want to go check that out, hit up our website at pointblankmusicschool.com where you can sign up and learn more about our course, or just check the description down below. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.